Oh, what do we have here?
What?
So I've been waiting for this for a while. Let's open this puppy up and see what it's all about. I know. You're supposed to cut away from yourself. I'm stupid. I'm one of these kids in school that ran with scissors. Not to mention I don't want to cut the mat inside. Whoa. This must be the back seat. It's huge. This must be the front seats. Ooh, fancy. And here's, I believe this should be the driver's side because there's the dead pedal right there. What's also interesting is that it came with instructions. It's a good old Canadian company, by the way, if I hadn't mentioned before. And in here, they look like tabs or clips of some sort. I guess they go around the mat. Time to go install these puppies. As you can see, this is where the kids are, and it's a little dirty. That's not dirt, that's just a shadow. But you know what? This car is lived in. Not lived in, but you know, realistically speaking, it's, you know, it's driven in, and the kids are kids. Okay, let's take this mat out. Start from this end, roll it up as best as I can. Grab this end, pull it up here. This way when I take it out. I still got a vacuum. I will vacuum later. I just want to see how it fits for now. Wow, it looks like it's, take this out, looks like it fits pretty good. Pretty snug. That goes down there, that goes down. And then you just gotta push it down on the sides. Push it down here. This fits all the way up to here. That's pretty nice. It's a nice snug fit. As you can see, let me zoom in and show you. That goes all the way up to the center console, and then these tabs come all the way up here to the chair rails. On this side, as you can see, it's nice and close. Yeah, see, it even goes up in the corner here. That is very nice, and then all up around the ledge there, the door ledge, and then it comes, oh, that's interesting. Let me make it a little brighter here. It all comes up around here, right up to where the seat starts, where the faux leather starts. So that's a nice fit. There's a tab here. I think the tab might go into there. It actually follows, I don't know if you can see here, this is the hard plastic from the ledge, back seat, and it just curves around here, and then this follows where it ends and curves up. That is a nice fit, I must admit. Okay, let's do the front. It actually even, it suits it. I mean, look at this now and see how it fits, and take a picture for your brochures or whatever, because in 24 hours, my kids will have this looking like it's 2 months old. Nothing I can do about that. I can't take back the kids. I really like how it fits. And at first I didn't like the little pleats here, the little lines, and how it was like ribbed for your pleasure, I guess. But it grew on me, and I actually like it. And that's it from the outside. Let's do the front seats now. Same thing. Take this puppy out. This one's a lot easier than the back one. Can take it out, and yeah, I have to vacuum, I know. Okay, time to put this puppy in. Now this one is the driver's side, as you can see. Figured out what that pin was for. That pin was for, there's like an anchor that you can make right there, so it anchors the mat in so it doesn't move around. It's got a little rubber sole here for your feet. I guess that's where your feet are most commonly placed. And I mean, there's not rocket science to put this in, folks. You just slide it in. Oh, actually what you have to do first, you know, I read the instructions and I didn't even listen to what they said. You have to move the seat back. Move it back all the way, makes it for an easy installation. That's not me saying it, that's the instructions. Like I said, I'm going to take these back out, so I'm not going to permanently put them in right now, because I got to take them out and vacuum it out first. So this part here is supposed to come all the way down here and tuck in there. And those little clips, I realize what those clips are for. After read the instructions too, they're to clip in the sides here. If you need to clip it in the sides, they clip in here and they tuck under this plastic ledge here. Okay, passenger side, same thing applies. It's pretty straightforward. Doesn't take a SpaceX person to do this. Goes right in, sits flat, goes all the way up to the back, or the front, I guess in this case. And there you go. That's it in the front passenger. Looks good. You know what I like about it? It sort of almost matches the seat design there on the seat. Okay, to do this I need two hands, so I've entrusted my videographer here, Abby. So these are the tabs I was telling you about that come with it, and they're to hold these down. Now basically they just slide in any kind of plastic edge you've got, and what I've done is slid it, I've slid it into this, and then these clip sides, they just go into the mat, and they actually make a sound, they clip them in. So I'll put one there, put one over here, put one on this end, slide it over, and then clip it in here, and it just holds it down. And I can put, as you can see the one over here, I've put this one in already here to keep it, maybe put another one there. Don't need too many of them. I mean, it sits pretty good. Once you put one, it sits pretty good. I'll probably put some over on this side too. There's a ledge there. That looks a little trickier to put in, but okay, before I forget, this retention clip, it's a little difficult. It's a little tricky. What you have to do is put it in this hole, get it all lined up, then take it out of the hole, as you can see here, and put it in the carpet with that pin, and make sure it's in. This one's in really, really good. It moves laterally, left to right, that's fine, but it's really in there good. And make sure you have it lined up and centered properly, because if you don't, then your mat's not going to be lined up properly. Put it back down, clip it in. Sometimes it makes a little click, that's how you know it's all the way down, and then just turn it. And once you turn it there, let me zoom in and show you. Once it's turned, then you're good to go. Then it's in, it's all secure. Then what I would do is then put these clips in. Once it's in and the seat goes back to its position there, as you can see it's doing right now, it's not going anywhere. The clips are in here. There's another clip there. There's a clip over there on that side. I'm going to have to do something with this because the clips don't actually fit into that. I think I'm going to have to use some Velcro. So Velcro or some double-sided tape, probably some Velcro, and just Velcro it onto here. But that shouldn't be a big problem. This clip can't go in underneath here. This just goes straight in. It doesn't go up. So this has to go up for some reason, but the design of the Model 3, or the engineering, it won't go up. Okay, now putting these ones in on the back seat here. Same thing applies. It's just clips. They go over the meaty part here on the edge of the mat. A little tricky sometimes because these clips are really tight. But, you know, I'm thinking that the beefiness of this goes to the quality and the durability of these mats. See, that just sits down there. There's one. Put another one alongside here. Tuxmats, or Tuxmat, Tuxmat. I never heard about them before. I was a WeatherTech guy and swore by WeatherTech, and I still do. WeatherTechs are good, but WeatherTech seems to be dragging their feet on mats for the Model 3. I didn't want to wait too long, and had some other people on the Facebook group try these, and they were the guinea pigs and they liked them. That one's in there good too. So I gave them a try. They are Canadian, so that's a bonus if you are looking for North American made or even Canadian made. I'm Canadian, so I don't mind it. They're just in Scarborough, so the shipping isn't, if anyone in the GTA or in Ontario, the shipping isn't that bad. The shipping is actually free. What I mean not bad, I mean they're pretty quick. So order them now, because the first time they were in stock, they sold out really, really quick. So get in on them now if you want them, folks, because I ordered them back probably about a month ago, and it took them a while to get back in stock and manufacture them. And once they did, they went really, really quick again. They're not cheap, but they're not expensive. If you think of mats, folks, if you think of good quality mats, like a WeatherTech or anything like that, they're not cheap, but they protect your investment. If you tend to have the car for a long time, and you know, here in southern Ontario or any northern state or province, you know, the salt, the mud and everything come in winter months and fall months, even the spring. Actually, the spring is sometimes even worse. It's worth getting some good quality mats, and the price is worth it, folks. These, you know, I said they came with about a dozen of these. They've actually more than a dozen. They haven't skimped on these at all. I've put in probably a dozen already, and there's another 6 or 7 in the bag here. So they haven't skimped at all. For my Facebook group friends, I tried, and some other guys tried to get a group deal together to get these, but these are selling so well, and with them selling out as fast as they came in, you got to understand and expect that they're not giving any group deals or any discounts. Can't blame them in a way. So the best they'll give you is if you buy 3 on one order, 3 full complete sets, they'll give you $50 off the total. So 3 sets, you're looking at about 17 bucks, 16, 18 bucks per mat. So a little bit of savings. So think of that. I'll put up the website right below in the description. Go check them out. Tuxmat, a new favorite of mine, I think. Thanks for watching, folks. Like I said, Tuxmat. If you want to check them out, I will leave the link below. If you tried these or you have other ones that you've tried for the Model 3, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. I know there's other ones like 3D Spider or something like that. And of course, WeatherTech. But WeatherTech seems to be coming a little late to the game. And that may come back to bite them in the butt for Model 3 owners, because at least here in Canada or the northern states, summer's almost over and we're going to need something sooner than later. Thanks for watching, folks. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.